Welcome back to the subject of English grammar, and today's topic is the past perfect tense. So we will learn what is this tense and when do we use it in English. Definition is we use the past perfect form to say that one thing happened before another in the past. I'll explain you this definition with the example, that is, I had eaten the fish and cooked it. This is a wrong sentence. The correct sentence of the definition says that I had cooked the fish and eaten it. So the correct sentence describes that you have brought the fish, you have cooked and eaten it. Let's see how to form the past perfect with many examples. The structure form of the past perfect can be used with had plus the past participle form of the verb. By using the structure form of the past perfect, let's see the first example, that is, the bus had left when Rohan reached the bus stop. It describes that first the bus left, then Rohan reached the bus stop. The second example is, they asked me to wait because I had jumped the queue. Here it describes first I jumped the queue, then they asked me to wait. The third example says Maggie returned home because she had forgotten her umbrella. In this sentence, first Maggie forgot umbrella, then she returned home. The fourth example is the dog would not have bitten him if he had not teased it. So here it describes that he would not have teased the dog, then the dog would not have bitten to him. The fifth example is the family had gone to bed when the alarm went off. Here it describes first the alarm went on and then family will go to bed. The sixth example says the sparrows had flown away before the cat could reach them. Here, before the cat reached, sparrows flew away. So, in these all examples, you have seen that the past perfect tense say one thing happened before another in the past. So, let's see some of the words which have the past perfect tense, like come, had come, leave, had left, fly, had flown, begin, had begun, start, had started, move, had moved, climb up, had climbed up, bolt, had bolted, refuse, had refused. Hope you might have got clean idea about the past perfect. Thank you.